Friends, we shall now revise Introduction to Trigonometry of 10th Maths, where we need to know the various things, and there are many things to we need to memorize and remember for answering the questions. So first one is, what is trigonometry? Trigonometry, so it is defined as, here trigonometry, the term trigonometry contains tri. Tri means 3. Tri means 3. And gon means sides, and metron means measure. It means metron means measure. So here 3 sides measurement is nothing but trigonometry. So here we are going to study the relationship between sides and angles of a triangle. So it is basically a angle, and the relation between angle and sides are studied here in the trigonometry. So now what is it? This trigonometric ratios. As I said, trigonometry is nothing but a study of a relationship between angle and sides. So here first one is, let us there is a right angle triangle here, and I have a theta here, the angle theta. So what are the parts of this triangle? So opposite to this angle theta is we have a side called as opposite side, and the next to it is we have a adjacent side, and the side opposite to 90 degrees is called as hypotenuse, the longest side here, that is called as hypotenuse. So what are the parts of this triangle? So we have opposite side, opposite of an angle theta, and its adjacent side, and we have a hypotenuse here. So with this we will be able to find sine of this angle theta. Sine of angle theta is equal to opposite side of theta divided by hypotenuse. So opposite side divided by hypotenuse gives me sine theta. Then cos theta. What is the value of cos theta? So cos of this angle theta is nothing but equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse is nothing but cos theta. Then tan theta. What is the value of this tan theta? So whatever I have opposite side, whatever measurement we get of the opposite side divided by adjacent side of this angle theta gives me tan theta. And then cot theta. What is this cot theta? Cot theta is nothing but the reciprocal of tan theta. 1 by tan theta gives me cot theta. So that means it is just a reciprocal. So we have adjacent side divided by opposite side. So cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta, or it is just a reciprocal of this. So adjacent divided by opposite side of the angle theta. Then sec theta. Sec theta is a reciprocal of cos theta. So in cos theta we have adjacent by hypotenuse. In sec theta it will be reverse, hypotenuse divided by adjacent side of the angle theta. Then cosec theta. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta. So that is cosec theta equal to hypotenuse divided by opposite side of the angle theta. So you need to remember these things to solve the problems here. So I hope you are able to remember this. So and another important is, apart from this you need to know the reciprocals. So 1 by tan theta gives me cot theta, 1 by cos theta gives me sec theta, and 1 by sin theta gives me cosec theta. Then we also need to know the values of some of frequently used angles. So so there is a ready table here, you need to remember this. So angle I have 0 degree, 30, 40, 60, 45, 60, 90 degree. So sine of, so here sine of 0 is 0, and sine of angle 30 is 1 by 2, sine of 45 is 1 by root 2, sine of 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2, and sine of 90 is equal to 1. Then cos theta will be, cos 0 is 1, cos of 30 is root 3 by 2, and cos of 45 is 1 by root 2, cos of 60 is 1 by 2, and cos of 90 is 0. So here you can observe the values of this, all these angles of for cos is just a reverse of this sin theta. So whatever you can just write in a reverse order. So so cos of 0 is 1, that means here whatever I have for sin theta it is written here, and root 3 by 2 here you can see, that is sin 60 is nothing but equal to cos of 30 degree, and 1 by root 2 1 by 2 here and 0 here. Just if you are able to remember the sign of values of all the these angles, cos value of all the angles can be written just in a reverse order. So here 0 1 order is 0 1 by 2 1 by root 2 root 3 by 2 and 1 is written in a reverse order. 1 root 3 by 2 1 by root 2 1 by 2 and 0. And once we know sin and cos values, then you know that tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. So just divide these two. 0 by 1 is 0, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 is 1 by root 3, 2 get cancelled, and 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 gives me 1, root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 gives me root 3, and 1 by 0 is infinity. So then how to write for cot theta? So cot theta, as I said, it is 1 by tan theta. So reciprocal of all these values gives me cot theta. So cot of 0 is nothing but 1 by tan 0, that is 1 by 0 is infinity, and 1 by root 3 reciprocal of 1 by root 3 is root 3. 1 by 1 is 1 here, root 3 1 by root 3 is I'll be able to get cot of 60 degree, and 1 by infinity gives me 0. Then sec theta, how to write for sec theta? As you know, the relation between sec theta and cos theta is, again, it is a reciprocal. So sec theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. So just you write 1 by 1, 1 by root 3 by 2 is nothing nothing but 2 by root 3, and 1 by root 2 is nothing but root 2, and 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 1 by 2 is nothing but 2, and 1 by 0 is infinity, because sec theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. Then similarly cosec theta. Cosec theta is a reciprocal of sin theta. Since I know the values of all the angles of the sine, then just take the reciprocal of it to fill in these values of cosec theta. So sin cosec of 0 is nothing but 1 by sin 0. So that is nothing but 1 by 0 is infinity, and cosec 30 degree is nothing but reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Cosec of 45 degree is reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2, and similarly cosec of 60 degree is reciprocal of 1 by that is 1 by root 3 by 2 is nothing but 2 by root 3. Cosec of 90 degree is again 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. So just by knowing the values of sine of all these angles, we will be able to write the values for all the other trigonometric values of all the other trigonometric ratios. So how to remember this sine of various angles? There is a trick to remember this. So here you can see angles 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 degree. Sine of how to write, there is a trick. You I'll explain here. So first write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then divide all this 0, 1, 2, 3 by 4 by 4. Then take the square root of this fraction. Then you will be able to, so square root of 0 by 4, square root of 1 by 4, square root of 2 by 4, square root of 3 by 4, square root of 4 by 4. So here that means separately numerator and denominator square root gives me square root of 0 is 0, square root of 4 is 2 here, square root of 1 divided by square root of 4 is 2, square root of 2 divided by square root of 4 is 2 here, square root of 3 divided by square root of 4 is 2, and the square root of 4 by 4, that is 1. Now 0 by anything is 0, so root of 1 is 1, and 2 denominator remains the same, and here 2 can be, denominator 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2, such that root 2 gets cancelled, and ultimately I'll be getting 1 by root 2, and here root 3 by 2 will be the final value for this, and here again it will be 1. So next is finally I'll be able to write it as for 0 degree sine of 0 is 0, sine of 30 1 by 2, sine of 45 is 1 by root 2, because 1 root 2 of the numerator and denominator gets cancelled, and the denominator will be left with root 2, and I have sine 60 as root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is 1. So once we know all these value, that is sine theta of value of sine for all these values 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60, 90 degree as 0, 1, 2, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, and 1. Once you know this, rest of the values can be filled up. So as I said, cos theta, values of cos theta is written in just a reverse order of the sin theta, starting from here. So just in the reverse order you can write to get the values of cos theta. And the tan theta, how to fill the tan theta values? It is nothing but tan theta is nothing but equal to sin theta by cos theta. Just take the ratio of these two will give me tan theta. And cot theta is nothing but reciprocal of tan theta. And sec theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. Cosec theta is nothing but 1 by sin theta. So once you are able to know remember the value of sine of various angles, then you will be able to fill up the values for all other trigonometric ratios. Here you can remember here from this table, what we can infer here is value of sin A and cos A doesn't exceed 1. But whereas values of sec A and cosec A is always greater than or equal to 1. So this you need to remember here, just to cross verify your answers and whatever values you are getting. Then next one is we need to remember here the complementary angles, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. What is complementary angle? You know, you already studied in previous classes complementary angles and supplementary angles. Complementary angle is nothing but the sum of angles. If it is 90 degree, then those two angles are called as complementary angles. And supplementary angle here, where the sum of the angles, if it is 180 degree, then it is called as supplementary angles. But here now we are talking about complementary angles. Sine of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, and cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Tan of 90 minus theta gives me cot theta, and cot of 90 minus theta gives me tan theta. Sec of 90 minus theta is nothing but equal to cosec theta, and cosec of 90 degree minus theta is equal to sec theta. Then next one is we need to remember here trigonometric identities, 3 important trigonometric identities. So sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, and 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. So how to, if you remember this, you will be able to find the other two also. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. If you divide this by sin square theta, then you will get this. If you divide the whole both sides by sin square theta by sin square theta is first term will be 1, and cos square theta cos square theta by sin square theta gives me cot square theta, and 1 by sin square theta is nothing but cosec square theta. And if you divide by cos square theta, we will be getting 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. So if I divide this, so cos square theta by cos square theta gives me 1, sin square theta by cos square theta gives me tan square theta, and 1 by cos square theta gives me sec square theta. So here important is you need to remember this. Once you remember this, these two equations can be we can get easily just by one by sin square theta, and another one is by getting the cos square theta. So these are all the things that we need to remember in this chapter, and this is the total gist of the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. And once you are able to remember this, you will be able to solve all the questions on this chapter. Thank you, and I hope this will be very useful for you to revise the whole chapter just before your examinations. Thank you. Please do subscribe to get more such useful videos. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.